Hello, hello, hello. So we are now headed to Salmi, and this is a faraway area next to the border of Kuwait and Saudi.
Saudi.
Cool. And we are hoping to capture the Milkyway. Whenever I usually share my pictures of Milky Way with people, most of them never believe that this was taken in Kuwait.
In fact, someone asked me today, he messaged me, do you see Milky Way in Kuwait? I was like, yes, we are going to capture Milky Way.
Because of the light pollution, we have to go very far into the desert. Milky Way has some specific times. It's not just out every time. So, yep, we'll keep you posted. Hey, come on. If you really want it, you gotta be there. Get down on it. Baby, so the update is that we have started shooting. We have a small fire going on. Fire is mostly dead. Here. And there's one camera here. This camera is shooting time lapse. There's another camera over here.
But I can't.
Camera number 2.
Yes.
And then there's one guy doing light painting over there. Let's see what he got. He was not even in the frame, I guess.
Huh?
Can you play? Wow, what's that?
I don't know.
Okay, cool. So the Milky Way is supposed to be out right now, but the horizon has some lights, so we cannot see it. Overall, the sky is full of stars. I mean, if you shoot vertically up, that would be amazing wallpaper for your desktop. And I guess starting to feel a little sunrise. We're closing our time lapses now. Getting some sky pictures. Oh, okay. What do you have? Fire is nearly out. The day is starting. Doing some light painting. Let's see what we get. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Yours. done with the Milky Way.
We're done with the Milky Way.
It was a beautiful night spent. We reached around 2 o'clock, 2 a.m.
Beautiful and cold night spent.
It was a very cold night.